Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically replace using this new AI feature on CapCut PC, like to replace hairstyle, outfit, etc. I'm just going to use this image. It only works for images, so go to AI replace here. Make sure you have logged in to your CapCut account. I'm just going to try to select the shirt. I'm just going to select that and going to possibly change it. I don't actually know if we have to select everything like this, but I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to change it into like I guess like a blouse maybe. Like that. Okay. Here, describe what you generate. I'm going to type in pink blouse shirt, just in case it didn't generate blouse. And I'm just going to wait for it to generate. It does take a few seconds. Here you'll be able to see the percentage and how many seconds it has left. As you can see, it generated this. Oh my gosh, that is so super accurate. I like the one with the necklace here. So I can apply and that's it. It is free for now. I think it's only free for a limited time of uses, but there it is. Wow, that is so cool actually. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!